Women have come across as a big vote bank in this election. You'll keep hearing about the women voter, 10,000 rupees being given to them. But when it comes to representation, are all political parties in Bihar, guilty of tokenism? And why I'm saying that, just take a look at some data that my colleague Ashwin has been able to put together. This tells you that in the election 2025, the participation or the tickets given to the women is the lowest in the last 15 years. Women candidates which have been put up, combined all parties, all Gathbandhans, everything together, are 258. And compare this to the male candidates, about 2,357 male candidates versus 258 women candidates. If you talk about the groupings, the NDA has given about 14.4% tickets to the women. So you talk about the 33% reservation. Nitish Kumar talks about 50% here in the lower elections of the panchayat and everything else. But what about the NDA? Only 14.4%, 35 women candidates. But Mahagathbandhan is also not doing very well. 32 women candidates, 13% is their representation in the tickets given to the women in the Mahagathbandhan. Party-wise, if I talk about RJD, which is fighting 143 seats, has given 24 women candidates, the maximum in terms of percentage, 16.7%. Congress has given 5 out of 61, that's about 8.6%. JDU, 13 out of 101 candidates, that is 12.8%. BJP, 13, LJP, 6, and Jan Swaraj has given 25 out of the 240 candidates that they have gone. But this flies in the face of the whole winnability argument. And I'll tell you why. Because in 2020, BJP gave tickets to 13 women. 9 of them won. That's 69% winnability. RJD gave to 16, 7 won. That's 44%. In 2015 as well, the women, winning percentage for JDU, 9 out of 10 won. That's 90%. RJD, 10 out of 10. That's 100% winnability. And Congress, 4 out of 5. That's 80%. So this tells you that women in Bihar have the ability and also are backed by data when it comes to the winnability factor. It is possibly for the political parties to, in fact, work harder and get better women candidates, more women candidates, so that the representation of women in the assembly can also go up.